You hit play on a video, you see everything moving perfectly, but there's zero sound, not even a tiny bit. You turn the volume up, check your speakers, maybe replay the video again, and yeah, still silence. That's when it gets confusing because everything looks fine, but something clearly isn't. If you're using a Samsung monitor, audio issues like this don't always mean something's broken. A lot of the time, it's just a small setting or connection detail that's easy to miss. Sometimes the monitor itself doesn't have built in speakers, so no sound will come out no matter what you do. Other times, your computer might be sending audio to the wrong output, like headphones or another device you forgot was connected. There are also cases where the HDMI or DisplayPort cable isn't carrying audio properly, or the volume on the monitor is muted in its internal menu. And yeah, driver issues on your system can also block sound without any warning. So instead of assuming it's a big problem, you just want to go through a few checks and see where the audio is getting lost. These are the fixes. 1. Check if your monitor actually has built in speakers. 2. Set the correct audio output device in your computer's sound settings. 3. Increase the volume both on your system and in the monitor menu. 4. Make sure your HDMI or DisplayPort cable supports audio and is fully connected. Number 5. Disconnect other audio devices that might be taking priority. 6. Update or reinstall your audio drivers if sound still doesn't work.